Crafted with meticulous precision, the Soobool WRS588FIHZ00 Freezer Glass Shelf, a seamless replacement for the Whirlpool W11130212 Freezer Shelf, acts as a new foundation within your freezer's icy depths. This remarkable piece of engineering, a genuine alternative to the original, restores the heart of your appliance, making it as if it were a brand new machine. Furthermore, this shelf, a perfect fit for a wide range of Whirlpool models including WRS588FIHZ00, WRS588FIHW04, WRS588FIHZ06, and their white counterparts, WRS588FIHW00 and WRS588FIHW04, is not merely a replacement part, it is a resurrection of order. Consequently, the Whirlpool W11130212 Glass Shelf by Soobool becomes the backbone of your frozen food organization, supporting everything from frozen vegetables to large containers of ice cream. Additionally, its sturdy construction ensures it can bear the weight of your family's frozen provisions without a whisper of a complaint, thereby transforming a previously chaotic space into a bastion of neatness and accessibility. Moreover, this freezer shelf is more than just a piece of glass. It is a frozen river, a clear pane that allows the light of your freezer to penetrate its darkest corners. Therefore, it brings an almost magical clarity to your frozen landscape, ensuring that no stray ice cube or forgotten tub of sorbet remains hidden in the shadows. Subsequently, the Whirlpool W11130212 Glass Shelf by Soobool acts as a canvas upon which you can paint a new picture of organization and efficiency. For instance, imagine a shelf gleaming with a rainbow of frozen fruits, each bag standing tall and proud, a testament to its unyielding support. In contrast to flimsy alternatives, this shelf stands as a sentinel, guarding your food and making it effortlessly easy to find what you need when you need it. Thus, it is a silent workhorse, forever providing a transparent and stable stage for your culinary treasures. And it does so with a graceful and enduring strength. Finally, the sheer elegance of the Whirlpool W11130212 Glass Shelf by Soobool is a testament to its superior design and functionality. Not only does it fit perfectly, but it also elevates the entire aesthetic of your freezer interior. Consequently, the moment you install it, you'll notice an immediate upgrade, a sense of fresh and clean perfection that was previously missing. Ultimately, its robust nature means it will serve you faithfully for years to come, a stalwart companion in your quest for a well-ordered kitchen. Since it is easy to clean and maintain, you can simply wipe away spills, and it will shine like new, reflecting the icy perfection of its surroundings. Indeed, this shelf is the bedrock of a well-maintained freezer, offering both an aesthetic and practical solution that is as beautiful as it is resilient, thereby restoring peace and order to your frozen world. Pros: easy to install, sturdy and durable, great value, looks like the original, good quality glass. No sagging, fits many models, affordable replacement, fast shipping features. Freezer shelf replacement, material: glass, fits model WRS588FIHZ00, fits model WRS588FIHW04, fits model WRS588FIHW06, fits model WRS588FIHW00, fits model WRS588FIHW04. Easy to install the Soobool WRS588FIHZ00 freezer glass Shelf is a compatible replacement for the Whirlpool W11130212 Freezer Shelf. Designed to fit various models including WRS588FIHZ00, WRS588FIHZ04, WRS588FIHZ06, WRS588FIHW00, and WRS588FIHW04. Made of glass, this replacement shelf is easy to install and provides a durable solution for damaged or missing freezer shelves in the specified Whirlpool refrigerator models. The Soobool WRS588FIHZ00 freezer glass shelf is a sturdy, durable, and affordable replacement for several Whirlpool freezer models, including WRS588FIHZ00 and WRS588FIHW00. This non-ohm shelf is praised for its easy installation, quality glass that prevents sagging, and its appearance, which closely resembles the original part, making it a great value for those needing a replacement shelf quickly. While it fits many models, customers should be aware it may not be compatible with all.